County Senior Test Engineer here at the Dunlop Proving Grounds. As you might guess, building a better tire than the Q3 was quite difficult. In the end, we ended up with a tire that has more performance and lasts longer than the original Q3. By optimizing the compounds, we were able to increase corner stability and increase drive grip. With the added corner stability, I was able to enter the corner quicker, carry a higher lean angle in the apex, and pick up the throttle sooner on the exit, and without sacrificing any wet performance. Here at the Proving Grounds, where it's a relatively short track, the Q3 Plus was close to a second quicker than the Q3. It's literally the best street bike tire I've ever ridden on.